Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel. The viewers in front of me NOKIA G42, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. So firstly, we just need to understand how to disable all unnecessary features on this device. To disable it, you need to open the control panel, and in the control panel you need to disable all you don't need it right now. For example, if you have enabled internet and cellular data, so mobile internet, so disable one of them, because if both of them are enabled, both of them are consuming the battery power. Okay, so disable one of them, disable the Bluetooth if you don't need it right now, disable auto rotation mode if you don't need it, because all of this is consuming the battery power. Disable newbie share, and of course need to disable the location services. To do it, click on the pencil, scroll down, find location here, move it to the up part of your screen. Now find location here and click close. Cool. Then the next step you can do is to reduce the screen brightness. So here we have LCD screen, not the LED, so dark mode is useless on this device, so you don't need to enable the dark mode. It will not help you to improve battery life, but you can scroll down, find battery here, and enable battery saver mode. In the battery saver, your device will live longer, but you can always enable super power saving mode, and in this mode your CPU speed will be reduced, and you will be able to use only 6 applications when the 3 of them are just phone and contacts apps. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.